Well, the effort to help reaching from coast to coast, local disaster response teams here in the Charlotte area are stretching their resources to help, including the Billy Graham Rapid Response Team and the American Red Cross of North Carolina. Both organizations are mobilizing teams to meet these growing needs.
WCNC Charlotte's Miles Harris is joining us live from the Billy Graham Rapid Response Team headquarters in West Charlotte. Miles, you've been finding out how their team is helping. What are they doing?
Yeah, well, this team, it is focused on coordinating relief efforts on both coasts, as there are communities that are really facing very different types of disasters.
We're just there to provide emotional, spiritual care during this time of crisis.
Currently, more than 20 chaplains from the Billy Graham Response Team are on the ground in Southern California, where wildfires have devastated entire communities.
It's a critical need, and it's something that's often overlooked.
These chaplains work alongside other disaster relief organizations, offering emotional support to both first responders and residents who have lost everything. But they're not the only relief team on the ground.
We're working with the teams there locally to make sure that individuals and families are safe.
The American Red Cross of North Carolina has dispatched volunteers out west. Now it comes as they're still helping people impacted by Hurricane Helene.
That our disaster relief workers have a heart for where that need is, wherever it's needed the most. And that right now includes people who are in California. And bear in mind, too, when we were going through Hurricane Helene, there were a lot of volunteers from California who came here and assisted us to help us during that disaster as well.
Both response teams prepared to maintain their presence in the impacted areas for as long as needed.
And we're always ready, activated to support those immediate relief efforts that are happening, but also those longer term relief efforts out of the storms that we're seeing, too.
Yeah, Nick and Vanessa, as far as both of those response teams, they plan to keep those boots on the grounds with those efforts as long as need be in both Southern California as well as Western North Carolina. And the work that they're doing is truly a demonstration of the work and really as far as Charlotte-based organizations and what they can do in helping throughout the entire country here, guys. But for now, reporting live in West Charlotte, I'm Miles Harris, WCNC Charlotte.
Good to see these organizations stepping up and lending their helping hand. Miles, thank you for that report.
Well, and speaking of helping, so many of you at home have asked how you can help those impacted by the California wildfires. If you scan the QR code on your screen, this will take you to a list of places you can donate, whether you're talking about money or supplies that you want to give. Every little bit helps here, and you can also find this full list on our website and mobile app. All you have to do is scroll to the featured section.